Hey, I'm here with Philip Bransford with Bransford Mechanical, Heating, Electrical, and Plumbing.
Yes, sir.
Did I say that right?
Well, it's Bransford's Electrical and Mechanical Services, but yeah, you got
Okay, I was close. I was in the neighborhood.
Yeah.
So Philip's company does electrical work, heating and air work, plumbing work, and all that. And he has done one of our panel homes before.
Yes, sir.
And you're going to be working on this one that we're setting up here today pretty soon.
Yes, sir.
So for people out there, you know, that might watch this, electrical, earlier we talked about drilling the holes in the bottom, you know, to make sure they line up. Any other notes or tips maybe that people can kind of keep in mind to make this go pretty smooth on the mechanical end?
Well, the ones we've done, we've not really had any problems as long as everything will line up, and y'all have made changes since the first one we done to this one to help with that, and I think that'll stop any of those issues, period. And we didn't have any problems wiring the last one. You just got to make sure that it's all of the layouts per code before you manufacture the panels, and that's basically it. It's no harder than any other house to do after that. So.
And I'm glad you brought that up. So we of course put the electrical boxes in, and you can see those in our other videos, but we always tell our customers that when we're laying out the electrical, it's a good idea to get with your electrician, let you look at the panel plans and kind of go over. Because I know in a stick frame house, it's all done. You walk through the house and you mark with a Sharpie where you want everything, right? Well, you can't do that in this. You got to plan out a little bit. So is it a good idea to share those plans with your electrician and say, hey, can you help me lay this out with us?
Oh, definitely, because everywhere you go, the code could be a little different too, you know, and inspectors may want a little difference here, a little difference there. But I think that's a definite on every job that I would look at. So,
because some of the important information we need is, for example, like a plug, is it on the outside of the house or the inside of the house?
Yes, sir.
Is it a standard height plug, or is it countertop height? Like if it's behind your kitchen cupboards, so we need that information. The big thing that we run into a lot is light switches. How many gang box do we need to put in? Because, you know, you think about it, you come in the front door, do you want to turn on the light in the hall, and you want to turn on your spotlights, and you want to turn on the porch light, and you want to turn on the light in the living room? So you got to kind of say, well, we think we're going to need a 3 gang here or a 4 gang here, because we'll put in whatever size you need, but we need it specified ahead of time.
That's where the electrician should just lay it out on paper before it started, and that solves all those issues. So.
Well, our goal is to try to make it smooth for you and for your customer and our customer, and so pre-planning helps a lot, doesn't it?
Yes, sir.
Well,
sure
appreciate
does.
you joining us.
Yes,
need plumbing, electrical, mechanical, heating and air, and all those? Philip Bransford.
Electrical Mechanical Services, Lafayette, Tennessee.
He's a guy to look up.